Welcome to Two Cars, your ultimate destination for in-depth reviews and insights into the latest and most iconic vehicles on the market. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay ahead of the curve with the newest models in automotive technology, make sure to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Chevrolet Corvair, a modern revival of a classic, blending retro charm with cutting-edge innovation. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvair captures the essence of its classic predecessor while incorporating modern design elements that make it stand out on the road. The Corvair's sleek, aerodynamic body features clean lines and a low-slung profile, giving it a sporty and aggressive stance. The front end is characterized by its distinctive LED headlights and a bold grille that nods to the original design. For 2025, Chevrolet offers the Corvair in a variety of eye-catching color options, including iconic shades like Marina Blue, Autumn Gold, and Tuxedo Black, as well as contemporary colors like Electric Blue Metallic and Crimson Red. The car is available with 18-inch or 20-inch alloy wheels, and the optional RS package adds a more aggressive front splitter, side skirts, and a rear spoiler for those who want an extra touch of performance flair. Stepping inside the 2025 Chevrolet Corvair, you're greeted with a blend of retro-inspired design and modern technology. The cabin is crafted with high-quality materials, including leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber trim. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide both comfort and support, with power-adjustable settings, heating, air and ventilation for both front seats. The Corvair's infotainment system is centered around a 10.2-inch touchscreen that integrates seamlessly with the digital instrument cluster. This system features Chevrolet's latest MyLink interface, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium Bose audio system for an immersive listening experience. The interior also offers ambient lighting, customizable through the infotainment system, allowing you to set the perfect mood for your drive. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Corvair is powered by a choice of two engines, each designed to deliver thrilling performance. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing 275 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. For those seeking more power, Chevrolet offers an optional 3.6-liter V6 engine that delivers 335 horsepower and 284 lb-ft of torque, paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 9-speed automatic. Both engines feature direct injection and variable valve timing, ensuring responsive acceleration and smooth power delivery. The Corvair's suspension system is tuned for a balance of comfort and agility, with optional adaptive dampers available on higher trims for enhanced handling dynamics. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvair is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety features designed to keep you and your passengers protected on the road. Standard safety features include forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning with lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera with dynamic guidelines. Higher trims add advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. The Corvair also features Chevrolet's teen driver system, which allows parents to set speed and audio volume limits for younger drivers, as well as generate a driving report card. Additionally, the available driver confidence package includes a surround view camera system and a head-up display, providing an extra layer of awareness for the driver. Comfort and convenience are central to the design of the 2025 Chevrolet Corvair. The vehicle comes standard with dual-zone automatic climate control, ensuring that both driver and passengers remain comfortable regardless of the weather outside. The Corvair also features keyless entry and push-button start, as well as an available remote start system for added convenience. For longer journeys, the car offers a wireless charging pad, multiple USB ports, and an array of driver assistance systems, including Chevrolet's semi-autonomous Super Cruise feature, which allows for hands-free driving on compatible highways. The interior is designed to provide a relaxing and connected experience, making the Corvair not just a joy to drive, but also a pleasure to travel in. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvair offers a compact yet practical design that caters to both daily driving and weekend adventures. With an overall length of 184 inches and a wheelbase of 107 inches, the Corvair provides ample interior space without feeling overly large on the road. The trunk offers 12.9 cubic feet of cargo space, sufficient for carrying luggage or groceries. And the rear seats fold down in a 60/40 split to accommodate larger items. While the Corvair is not specifically designed for towing, it does offer a towing capacity of up to 1,500 pounds, suitable for light trailers or small recreational equipment, making it a versatile option for those with an active lifestyle. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvair delivers respectable fuel efficiency, particularly for a performance-oriented vehicle. The 2.0-liter turbocharged engine achieves an estimated 25 miles per gallon mpg in the city and 32 mpg on the highway, while the more powerful 3.6-liter V6 engine offers around 22 mpg in the city and 29 mpg on the highway. These figures make the Corvair an economical choice for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Additionally, the Corvair features Chevrolet's start-stop technology, which helps conserve fuel during idle periods, further enhancing its efficiency. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvair is available in 3 distinct trim levels, each offering a unique blend of features and performance. The base LT trim starts at approximately $32,000, providing a solid balance of performance and value with the 2.0-liter turbocharged engine and a host of standard features. The mid-level RS trim, starting at around $38,000, adds sportier styling cues, the option of the V6 engine, and additional technology features. The top-of-the-line SS trim, priced from $45,000, includes all available performance upgrades, the most advanced safety features, and luxury touches such as leather upholstery and the adaptive suspension system. Each trim level can be further customized with Chevrolet's extensive list of options and accessories, allowing buyers to tailor the Corvair to their exact specifications. That concludes our in-depth look at the 2025 Chevrolet Corvair. We hope this review has provided you with all the information you need to appreciate the revival of this iconic nameplate. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Two Cars, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest car reviews and updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.